Tip 1. First, prepare about 4 cups of water. Add 2 more secret ingredients, apple cider vinegar and salt. Stir this mixture well to get it ready for the next step. This step may seem small, but is very important. It helps the egg whites set quickly and prevents them from spreading out during blanching. Pour it into a pot and place it on the stove to bring to a boil. Next, prepare 5 eggs and crack each one into a fine mesh strainer, handling them gently to keep the yolk intact and prevent it from breaking. As the egg sits in the strainer, you'll notice the runny white automatically drains down, leaving only the thick white clinging tightly around the yolk. This ensures the poached egg turns out much neater and more visually appealing. Once strained, I lift the sieve to let the egg drain completely of the runny white, then gently tilt the sieve and slide the egg onto a flat plate. Repeat this process until all 5 eggs are strained, keeping your hands steady so the yolks don't break. Fresh eggs have thick, clear whites that cling tightly to the yolk. When poached, they quickly set into a beautiful, round shape. Conversely, eggs that aren't fresh have runny whites that easily separate. When exposed to hot water, they spread out, causing the egg to spread and look unappealing and difficult to shape. At this point, when the water in the pot is gently simmering, use a spoon to stir gently and create a small whirlpool. Then gently slide the egg into the center of the pot. Thanks to the gentle swirling water, the egg white will naturally curl up, neatly enveloping the yolk. Continue to keep the heat low and let the egg cook slowly for about 2 to 3 minutes. During this time, avoid stirring vigorously to prevent breaking the egg structure. Once the egg white has fully set and completely envelops the yolk, use a slotted spoon to remove the egg and place it on paper towels to drain. Gently cut a slit. The soft, creamy yolk inside blends with the smooth, silky white on the outside. It looks just as tempting as a dish from a restaurant. Which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below. It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. Tip 2. Next, I crack 5 eggs into 5 small bowls, being careful to keep the yolks intact and prevent them from breaking. Eggs are rich in protein and nutrients, making this dish not only delicious, but also nutritious, providing energy and supporting a healthier body. Place a pot of water on the stove and bring it to a gentle simmer. While waiting, lightly coat the bottom of the spoon with oil to prevent sticking, making it easier to remove the egg once cooked. Once the water is gently simmering, carefully scoop the egg onto the spoon, then slowly lower the bottom of the spoon into the hot water. Hold it there for about 2 to 3 minutes. During this time, the egg white will gradually set and envelop the yolk, creating a beautiful shape. Once the egg has set, carefully lower it into the water and use a spoon to gently separate it from the ladle. Continue poaching for about 30 seconds until the egg reaches your desired doneness, then remove it. While the egg is still hot, place it on a slice of prepared sandwich bread. Wow, look at that perfectly round egg now, with the smooth white encasing the yolk. Cut into it, and the soft, glossy yolk oozes out, pairing perfectly with the soft, fluffy bread. It's just as delicious as a restaurant-quality dish. Repeat these steps for the remaining eggs. This spoon poaching method helps the eggs maintain their round, beautiful shape without cracking or separating. You can also adjust the poaching time to your preference. Poach for a shorter time if you prefer a slightly runny yolk, or longer if you want the egg fully cooked. It's so great to connect with you all from around the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support.